Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Monday noun. So other, something else. There's this one and the other one. Something else. Highlighting something that is different from something or things else. So I have a book and this is the other book. Other book I have. So I have a book and this is the other book that I'm going to read. So I'm going to read these two books and this is the other book that I was thinking about reading sometime soon. So I've got books to read. Yeah. How cool is that? So this was from the other box. I think the tools are in the other room. The other room, not this office, but the other room. Over there. Yeah. I'm looking for the other piece of the puzzle. Here we are. The piece of the puzzle. So this bit here, that bit there, the other piece. Yeah. The other piece. How cool is that? Where are the others? The other people. I am here. Where are the others? All the others are waiting for us at the office. The others are waiting for us at the office. Makes sense. How cool is that? Yeah. We came from the other city. Other city. So other, one is singular, and others, two plus plural. Yeah, singular. Very good. Yeah, so I want the other slice of pizza, for example. They're looking for the others in the meeting or at the party. We're looking for the others. He's over there and the other one's over there. The other people, the others that were invited. Yeah. How cool is that? So we came from the other city. Yes, the other city. So the other city is far away, but easy to get to. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So do you think it's coming from the other room? Is that noise coming from the other place? Are they coming from the other side of the country? Are they coming from the other side of the country? I'm not so sure. Yeah. I will drive to the other office, for example. Here's one office. I am driving to the other office on the other side of town. The other side of town. Yeah. How cool is that? So, she's going to the other party. They have plans to go to the other building site later on. They'll see the other project and speak to the others that are in charge. The other project and the others, the other people. Others. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, so other. Very good. So other, singular, others with an S, 2 plus, plural. Yeah. How cool is that? So, can you use other in a sentence? and write it in the comments below. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come. And like and follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. You can find me by searching English with Adrian. Yeah, and you can find me on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.